I have these 2 pieces of wood from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use our General Finishes antique walnut as a stain on both of these pieces of wood. It's a wipe on, wipe off. And I'm going to set them aside to dry. Then I found this leaf from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cover this in the General Finishes as well. I have this place setting, and you can use basically any color you want. I have this buffalo check one, and I'm going to run some hot glue down one bottom portion and lay down my piece of wood, and then I'm going to go to the other end and do the same thing. Then I'm going to take my leaf and hot glue it to the center of my placemat. And now you can kind of decorate this any way you choose. I decided to take some of this wheat and glue it to the center, and I took this Dollar Tree pumpkin and cut it in half. And then I hot glued it to the center of my leaf just under the wheat. Then I took a piece of fabric and created a bow. And again, you can do any colors of your choosing if you like something a little brighter. This is definitely a farmhouse vibe, very neutral. But you can change that up just by changing the color of your stain or making the stain paint, changing the placemat. And then I'm going to glue the bow just above the pumpkin. I took some mandarina and painted along the base of this pumpkin just to blend in where I cut, along with some chocolate. And then I flipped this over and I used jute as a hanger using my Bosch stapler to secure it. And then I just added these knots just to give me that extra hold. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.